to all of you for 2 days national seminar on global perspective on science and technology for sustainable future. Friends, you know that this 2 days conference is being organized by the Department of Postgraduate Studies and Research in Zoology in association with the Indian Science Congress Association Bangalore chapter. You all know about the Department of Zoology and Gulbarga University. I would like to say a few words about the Indian Science Congress Association. This Indian Science Congress Association is the previous scientific organization in the country, which was established in the year 1914 by two great British chemists, Professor Simonson and McMahon. The main objective of this association is to advance and promote the cause of science in India, to create scientific awareness among the people of the country, and to initiate and instill the scientific temper and skill in the children. This association had only about 105 members in the beginning. I am extremely happy to say that today we have about 60,000 scientists as members. This association has 14 sections like animal science, fisheries science, then vegetable science, plant science, physical science, mathematical science, engineering science, medical science, like this. And each section has a section president who conduct various scientific activities under each section. The annual Science Congress will be held on our research institute. And this inauguration is being inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister of the country. Whomsoever might be the Prime Minister of the country, he has to come and inaugurate the annual Science Congress on 3rd January of every year. And this year, 109 India's Science Congress will be held at lovely Professional University, Jalandhar, that's in Punjab.
Gulbarga University, Dr. Tukman Sasina, former General President, Indian Science Congress, Professor K. Chandrakant, former General President, Indian Science Congress.
The requirement of science and technology in the state, giving a quality education. The objective of the Higher Education Council is giving the quality education for the students. I was the former Vice Chancellor of this university, and I congratulate the Honorable Vice Chancellor and the organizing committee for choosing a very good topic for the Science Congress, that is the global perspective of the science and technology in sustainable future.
Youth of the country and popularize the science for the welfare of the country in terms of the national development. It is with this objective Indian Science Congress Association has got its own impact in the country through various activities. Really, sir, Gulbarga University is looking towards the Karnataka State Higher Education, as the Karnataka State Higher Education is a kind of guiding regulatory body to the government of Karnataka, looking into the landscape of the higher education to enhance the quality education. Sir, I wish that definitely you have a better edge for the government to look into the Gulbarga University. Sir, it is not enough if the Gulbarga University is being considered on par with the universities of the leading states or the universities which are there in the metropolitan cities, like Mysore University and Bangalore University. Gulbarga University has got its own limitations, keeping itself in the rural area, keeping itself in the most important area where the higher education required to be more attentive. In this regard, I have a special appeal on this occasion. Please look into it. My friends, let me tell you another important avenue this conference is going ahead for the young leaders of this particular country in general and the youth of this university.
Present Secretary of 2 days National Conference to deliver vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Madam Daksha sir, Professor S. R. Niranjana sir, Ashok Kumar Saxena sir, Madam Vijay Lakshmi Saxena, Professor Srikanta Swami, Professor Ramakrishna, Srimati Deshmukh Kaur, Professor Kumavati, and Professor Gangadhar, our beloved Mr. Vishanappa, all invitees, delegates, and press and media persons. I am really thankful to our beloved Vice Chancellor for sanctioning and permitting the conducting this 2-day national conference on behalf of the Department of Zoology. And I thank all the dignitaries on the dais and all the delegates and media for covering and attending this inaugural function. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಕೆ ವಿಜಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಂಘಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಕಲಬುರಗಿ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Publishing our new isolates. We have written the papers, were subjected for the publication. I was surprised and I was shocked to listen from the experts that no, what I am telling is better between 2005 and 2007. They have rejected the paper stating that it's not enough if you do the basic biosystematics, molecular systematics. It is very essential to subject these isolates for the chemosystematics. And until unless the type of the fatty acids, amino acids, sugar molecules which are present in the cell wall and the cell membrane of this organism, these organisms cannot be nomenclated as it was proposed for the publication. Then again the work was started with the chemosystematic cell wall amino acids, and we have about these 6 isolates with the standards one, and it can be made out very easily, and then they are subjected for the cell wall fatty acids, and then the polar lipids. Please remember, after identification the active factors concerned, polar lipids play a major role as a
डॉक्यूमेंटेशन सर टेस्ट ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
and uploading.
Everything will be tomorrow on Instagram. Instagram. Status.
ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗದ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೊಸರು ತೋತೀರೇನು
Okay, next slide. So why we have preferred the aquaculture means, so we are totally dependent on the wild catching before decades. So day by day, see the gap. We are 78% depending upon the marine sources, 25% only we have cultured the organisms. So day by day population will be increased. The decades you will see that it's now end up, and now the reason is so natural sources will be come down. So the reason is we are concerned of biodiversity. So that we want to fulfill the human need.
Sir, for the meter cube 8 kg, sir, 8 kg to 10 kg. Depending on which species, sir? No, sir, depending on the species.
For example, Pampano you say.
Pampino is 10 kg, sir, per meter cube.
Per meter cube.
Meter cube 10 kg is
And second is the most tolerable, salinity tolerable. Which species?
Tilapia is most tolerable.
Up to what salinity?
Yeah, it's that 40.
No, even 1 or 0.
No, it's a urea line, sir. It's a urea line.
Okay. Second, last, as you mentioned, the protobionts, no? Protobiotics, sorry.
Of the dais, research scholars, student friends. It gives me a great pleasure to announce the results of poster presentations. So as already made a mention by Professor Prakash, so about 80 abstracts have come. And out of 80, students have not participated. Most of the presentations, poster presentations were with the scientific standards as per the national requirement, the national conference requirement. And most of the students, including guest lecturers, teachers and research scholars, MSc project students, they have made a good attempt to present their findings, research work with more dedication. Of course, here and there some mistakes are there, it is natural, and as per the requirement, during discussion, during your poster analysis, we have made a mention. So with all these, only we can. So congratulations, Amal Bhai. Thank you. So September 29. Congratulations. Ballari district, Karnataka. Congratulations, Mr. Pawan.
His role of fisheries cooperative societies in development of fisheries resources in Hyderabad, Karnataka region of Karnataka.
The second prize winner so rest of the participants, don't worry, your work is also good, your presentation is also good, but only thing is among them we have chosen only 3. So therefore I congratulate each and every one of you for presenting your paper in a very successful way. Thank you and good luck everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I call Dr. Inayatullah Riyasuddin, NFDC Pondicherry, to declare the result for our presentation.
So good evening everyone. It's a best oral presentation. Bhagya Blue. The floral diversity and its seasonal availability to
prize goes to as I given Bhagya Yu from University of Mysore, and the second prize shared by 2 people. One is Mr. Tilak DN from Bangalore University.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್
Everybody appreciated their dance to the community hall. Program. I'm very thankful to the university authorities, especially Professor Dayanand sir and the registrar and the finance officer for permitting me to conduct the 2 days national conference in the department after almost